Hi, my name is Cas Edmond. I'm a volunteer here at the Ontario Museum. Today, I'm actually working on the restoration of the BV202. We're basically trying to clean up some rusted area to actually recondition it so we can install the in-bench heating system. We're exposing the rusted area so that way we can recondition it and then have to reinstall the heater and then the bench above that once it's done.
And how long has this taken so far?
We've been at it so far month and a half so far. I'm in here for the last 3 Wednesdays or so. So as you can see, we've already started exposing the sides and the cutouts section that were too badly gone to cut out metal to weld in, and then once that's finished, then we'll do some body work and paint it.